How to perform daily cleaning. First, log into the Manager menu. Find your cleaning menu and select the highlighted button. Hit Start. The machine interface will now take you through the cleaning process. You will first be instructed to empty the grounds bin. Confirm when completed. Now, you will insert your coffee cleaning tablet into the tablet chute. Hit Next when you have done so. The machine will now run the tablet through the coffee lines. Next, you will be instructed for milk cleaning. You will open the milk fridge door and remove your milk and free the milk lines. Hit Next. You will now be instructed to place the milk lines into a container filled with hot water and your milk cleaning tablet. Hit Next when you have done so. The cleaning detergent will now run through the milk lines for about 7 minutes. Afterwards, the machine will confirm that you have finished cleaning. Hit Next and you will be taken back to the main menu.